Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have Bang & Olufsen BEOPLAY E8 Motion wireless Bluetooth earbuds and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one's troubleshooting. If you're having issues with these earbuds not connecting to your phone or other device, or if they're not pairing with Bluetooth or syncing with Bluetooth, or if you're only getting sound out of one ear, like the left earbud is not working or the right earbud is not working, a factory reset can fix a lot of these issues. You also might want to do this just if you want to just delete all the pairing history, wipe it all off, all the settings, so that you can set these up like a brand new set of earbuds. This will do the same thing. So it's really easy to do. Before we do it, you want to make sure you have a decent charge on these earbuds, and you want to make sure they're on. So once they're on, we're just going to come and press and hold the button on the back of both earbuds simultaneously, keeping an eye on the indicator light on the earbuds, on the right earbud. So we're just going to hold, and when that ear indicator light on the right earbud starts to flash red, we can go ahead and release it. They've been reset. Now we'll need to go ahead and remove them from our devices because they'll no longer pair with the previous pairing, and we can set them up as a new set of earbuds.